Your Samsung Smart Remote voice control stopped working. The microphone button does nothing. Bixby won't wake up. And you're back to typing one letter at a time with the D-pad like it's 2005. Here's how to fix it, in 2 minutes. Setup: why this happens. Before we jump into fixes, let me explain what's actually going on. Samsung voice control on these smart remotes runs through 3 things that all need to work together. 1. The remote's microphone hardware. 2. The Bluetooth connection between the remote and the TV. And 3. Samsung's voice service, which is either Bixby or Alexa, depending on your model. If any one of these 3 breaks, voice control stops working. And honestly, most of the time, it's not broken at all, it's just unpaired or disabled by a software update. So we're going to check all 3, in order, starting with the easiest fix. Fix number 1, repair the remote. Most common fix. This is the fix that works for maybe 70% of people, so start here. Pick up your remote. Hold down the back button and the play/pause button at the same time. Keep holding them for about 5 seconds. You'll feel a small vibration or see a pairing message pop up on the TV screen. That means the remote is repairing with your TV. If you don't see anything after 10 seconds, release the buttons and try again. Sometimes it takes a second attempt. Once paired, test the voice button immediately. Press the mic, say something like "Open Netflix," and see if it responds. If that fixed it, you're done. That was genuinely 2 minutes. If not, let's move to the next one. Fix number 2, check voice service settings. Sometimes a software update turns off voice services without telling you. Samsung does this, frustrating, but fixable. Grab your regular remote navigation. Go to Settings, General Voice. Now, depending on your TV model year, you'll see either voice or voice assistant. Open it and check 3 things. First, is the voice service turned on? If the toggle is off, turn it on. This alone fixes it for a lot of people. Second, which assistant is selected? If it's set to Bixby and you've never set it up, try switching to Alexa or Google Assistant if your model supports it. Third, check the voice wake-up setting. If Hi Bixby wake-up is enabled but not responding, try turning wake-up off and using only the button press. Wake-up sensitivity varies a lot. Test the mic button again after each change. Pattern interrupt, quick reality check. Before we go further, quick sanity check. Are you pressing the mic button and holding it down while you speak? A lot of people tap it once expecting it to work like a walkie-talkie. Samsung remotes need you to hold the button, speak, then release. Tap and release does nothing. Also, are you speaking clearly and close enough? The mic on these remotes is tiny. If you're across the room, mumbling, with a fan blowing, it might not pick you up. Try from about an arm's length away, at normal volume. Fix number 3, power cycle everything. If pairing and settings didn't work, let's do a full power cycle. And I mean full, not just turning the TV off with the remote. Step 1, unplug your Samsung TV from the wall. Not the power button, the actual plug. Leave it disconnected for at least 60 seconds. This drains residual power from the capacitors and forces a cold boot. Step 2, while the TV is unplugged, open the back cover of your remote and remove the batteries. Wait the same 60 seconds. This resets the remote's internal Bluetooth controller. Step 3, put fresh batteries in the remote if you have them. Even if yours aren't dead, low battery voltage can disable the microphone circuit while still powering the buttons. This is a known Samsung quirk. Step 4, plug the TV back in, turn it on, wait for it to fully boot. Then try the voice button. In many cases, the TV and remote will automatically repair during boot. Fix number 4, factory reset the remote. Last resort. If nothing above worked, the nuclear option is resetting the remote itself. This clears its internal memory and forces a completely fresh connection. The button combination depends on your remote model. For most Samsung smart remotes from 2018 onward, hold back plus play/pause plus the center select button. All 3 together, for about 8 to 10 seconds, until the LED on the remote blinks rapidly or the TV shows a pairing screen. If that specific combo doesn't work on your model, the alternative is return plus extra. That's the back arrow plus the button that looks like a colored square, usually below the D-pad. Hold both for 10 seconds. Once reset, the remote will repair from scratch, and voice control should work again. Conclusion. So to quickly recap, the 4 fixes, fastest to most thorough. 1. Repair the remote with back plus play/pause. 2. Check voice settings in the TV menu. 3. Full power cycle of TV and remote. 4. Factory reset the remote with button combinations. In my experience, the very first fix, the repair, solves it 9 times out of 10. Samsung TVs drop Bluetooth pairing more often than you'd think, especially after firmware updates. If you tried all 4 and voice control still isn't working, then it's likely a hardware issue. Either the remote's microphone has failed, or the Bluetooth module inside the TV needs service. But honestly, that's rare. Almost everyone gets it back with fix 1 or 2. If this helped, hit like and subscribe, and drop a comment if you discovered a different fix that worked for your model. It helps other people who find this video later. Thanks for watching.